I just made $563 this week on Clickbank without a website, completely for free. In this video, I'm going to outline exactly what I did, each and every step that I took, how I promoted this Clickbank product successfully in a very successful and popular niche without having a website. We don't need to spend money on Kartra or Builderall or any sales funnel building software. We are going to make money with the direct Clickbank affiliate link without a website, completely for free. And based on my results, I've been earning anywhere between $30 and $100 per day on my good days. On top of this, all of my earnings have been passive, meaning work that I put in last week already, I'm still earning from today. This is something that is very powerful and that I suggest that you watch throughout until the end of this video. As we know, all wealthy speak about passive income. You need to find other ways than making money actively with hard work. You need to also make money while you sleep and also let your money make money for itself. So this is going to be an excellent strategy if you want to learn how to make money on Clickbank without a website, completely for free. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay, your online South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel. On this channel, I am super passionate in documenting daily videos on how I make money online with various side hustles, mainstream income streams, mainly drop servicing, affiliate marketing, and content creation, and other side hustles such as Instagram side hustles, TikTok side hustles, testing various different strategies, trading soon towards the end of this month. I've got a whole bunch of awesome content coming out for you guys. So if you want to get daily epic videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. Leave a like. Let's try and get to 500 likes on this video. If we get 500 likes, I will drop a crazy $1,000 funnel bonus and 1-hour course on YouTube about that funnel and how we can make money with it in the course of the next week. So let's get this video to 500 likes and that will be awesome. And also make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. I answer every single comment. I also answer my DMs on Instagram, so you're welcome to message me over here or follow me there and I'll help you out if need be. And at the end of this video, I will announce the $20 giveaway from yesterday's video, so make sure to watch it to the end to see who won that $20. If you guys would like an entire private video course with me on how I sell rare high income skills and services all over the world, you can click on the first link in the description. It will take you to this webpage over here, which is the page of my Drop Servicing University program. Here, you'll learn how to master the art of selling rare high-income skills without doing that work yourself. In other words, you'll get paid to do projects and skills such as web development, app development, and these services pay hundreds to thousands of dollars. Now, you don't even have to do this work yourself. All you're going to do is outsource the work through freelancers, send that work to your clients, and you keeping all the profit as the man in the middle. It's a very powerful model called drop servicing, or alternatively outsourcing, and we're making money through arbitrage. Just quite an interesting story for you guys, how I actually got into this. When I was 14, 15 years old, I got into IT at school. I studied IT and basic WordPress development, and I started creating blog websites and photography websites for myself and my friends. And I decided to start a little software business where I would go and sell these websites to people on Facebook Marketplace, informally on local ad classified websites, not like no formal company or anything like that. I just did it as a side hustle to make some extra cash in school. And about a year into this, I got to the point where I was making 2 to 3 websites every day. It was taking up all my time. I had no free time and I just needed a break. And that's when I discovered a freelance marketplace called Fiverr, where I found people making these same websites at 1/10 of the price for dirt cheap, and their quality is just as good and their service and support is just as good. And I discovered, all right, what I can do is every time I get an order, I can get these guys to do 3 or 4 websites for me at the same time. And from there, I can just give that work to my client and keep about $1,000 in my pocket as the man in the middle. And just like that, I could create up to 10 websites a day while I only created 1 or 2 myself. And I had all these other people creating these websites for me. This entire program goes into depth how you can create your own drop servicing agencies, funnels, paid ads, free traffics, and exactly what I did to reach my first $200,000 in 2020. That was 4 years later. I made my first 6 figures with drop servicing. So if you want to find out more about this, you can click on the first link in the description and I'll see you there. All right, step number 1. As you know, this video is about Clickbank. So the first step is going to be coming over to Clickbank over here. For those of you that are completely new, you need to sign up on the sign up button on the top right, enter your country, first name, last name, email address, and your password. check the terms and conditions, and you can join Clickbank over here. Once you've signed into your account, it will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. You need to click on Marketplace on the top right over here. I'll just zoom in for you. It looks like this. Marketplace. Let me just zoom back out, and you want to scroll down and take a look at all the categories over here. And this is a category I've been promoting the last week on Clickbank without a website, completely for free, that I've never used before. I've never even thought about this category until I actually came across the product, and I thought there's not a lot of people promoting this product. There's quite a nice gap in the market for this. We are going to come over to the games category on the left over here. On the first page, if you scroll down, take a look at this little product over here that has generated me between $30 to $100 a day. The Fortnite Ultimate Unofficial Guide. So this is an entire Fortnite Secrets Goldmine guide that can be viewed on the mobile app or PC version as well for Fortnite players on how to play the early game, mid game or end game, improve your strategy and get closer to victory royales. So for those of you that don't know, Fortnite is quite a popular game, especially amongst the younger generation these days, that is getting millions and millions of views on YouTube and Twitch and even TikTok as well. And you will make $2.17 per sale that you make. Now, what's great about this is it's super cheap. People will buy this. Any Fortnite enthusiast will be willingly to take out $3 and spend it on a Fortnite guide. It's not hundreds of dollars, it's cheap, and you earn $2.17, which I think is about 70% commission, which is not a lot. But think about it like this. If you can sell this product to 100 people, that's $217. If you can sell this product to 2,000 people, that's $2,170. If you can sell this product to 10,000 people, that's $21,000 that you can make off this simple Fortnite guide. The next step is you're going to come over to twitch.tv. Now, before you click off this video, we're not going to be posting on Twitch. We're not going to be creating any content on Twitch. We're not going to be streaming. We're not going to be posting videos. Hey, why don't you buy my product? No, we're not going to be doing any of that. We don't even need an account on Twitch. There's just one or two things that we need to extract off of Twitch in order to make money on this Clickbank product without a website. All you need to do is type in on the search bar Fortnite and click on the Fortnite game. Over here under the Fortnite icon, click on clips over here. And over here you will find highlights of Fortnite videos that are anywhere between 6 seconds, 12 seconds, 22 seconds, 28 seconds. These are Fortnite clips that are trending, getting thousands of views on Fortnite. And what I recommend is go and open up a couple of these. For example, this video. Once you've watched this clip and you've seen the highlights and seen what it's about, right click on it and click on copy link address. Come over to Google and type in Twitch clip download. Click on enter. Click on this first link over here, the Twitch clip downloader. Paste your Twitch link and click on get download link, and you can click and download this video to your PC. Secondly, come over to YouTube and type Fortnite Rage and click on enter. Click on filters over here and click on Creative Commons. And all of these videos over here are funny Fortnite rage moments that you can go and download and use for yourself. The reason why we go and select Creative Commons is because YouTube allows us and grants us the right to reuse this content as our own. You need to make sure that you click on Creative Commons. And what I love about rage videos, people love that kind of stuff. I find it hilariously funny when someone throws a punch through their PC. So these kind of videos do very well. As you can see, this channel is a tiny channel with only 1.9k subscribers, but all their videos are getting twice the amount of views than subscribers. That's because this kind of content does super well. Any kind of rage content does really well. So this is all videos. You can just scroll down, continue scroll down. There's tons of hundreds of rage videos that you can go and download completely for free. And this is what you want to do. Once you've found a rage clip that you'd like, again, right click, copy link address, come over to Google and type YouTube downloader. Click on enter, click on the first link, download YouTube videos for free, paste your video link over here, right click, paste, and click on download. And you can download this over here in 720p. And the next step is you want to come over to TikTok and you want to create a Fortnite Rage themed TikTok page. And this content does really well. You can see over the past 6 days, which is the same time I started my Clickbank account, which was a week ago, I have been creating random TikTok random Fortnite rage compilations that I've been getting off of YouTube and Twitch. That is copyright free, by the way. I made sure that all of this content I was getting off of YouTube and Twitch is Creative Commons and available to use without any license warning. So that's why I showed you it is so important to make sure that the videos you download off YouTube are Creative Commons. Take a look at this. As you can see, it's literally funny rage compilations like that that are 5 seconds long. Take a look at this TikTok.
Fucking end this game! Holy shit!
As you can see, it's actually quite entertaining to watch. Now, I'm very keen to see where this page gets to in about 6 months from now. You never know, a TikTok page like this could grow to perhaps $500 plus per day. I'm already plus minus at about $20 to $30 a day in the sales on this ultimate Fortnite win guide. And then I've left a bit.ly link over here in the description of my TikTok page, where if I copy this, take a look at this, if I right click, copy, paste this over here in a new tab, it's going to take me through to my affiliate link over here where they can get this entire Royal Fortnite Battle Guide for $6.96, and you get $3 commission, which is 50% from this. And as you can see, I didn't need a website, I don't need to create funnels, I don't need to create landing pages. Obviously, these factors do help a lot. If you want to create your own bridge page, collect emails, it all just helps with getting more sales and conversion rates. But this video was specifically for those searching how to promote Clickbank products without a website and completely for free. I didn't spend a single cent on this. I did all of this in front of your eyes. And quickly, as promised, I'm going to announce the winner of that $20 giveaway. This person on the screen over here is the winner of that $20 giveaway. Well done to you. All you need to do is message me on Instagram and I'll sort it out from there. And I'm going to give you guys something special. I'm going to give you guys my entire Clickbank 2021 playlist and course on YouTube completely for free. So on the screen over here is an entire playlist with all my best Clickbank videos that I've made over the past year and a half compiled into one epic playlist. So if you want to learn tons of ways to make money like this on Clickbank, maybe you can apply more than one of these strategies at the same time, make sure to click on this playlist over here to learn as many skills as you can to hopefully make the most money online as possible. So make sure to click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.